Welcome to this stunning two-bedroom apartment in Atlantis the Royal. Universally agreed, the most luxurious hotspot on the planet of Earth. Let's check out what you can buy with 23 million dirhams here. As you enter this stunning apartment, you will see this spectacular open kitchen with most luxurious kitchen appliances and marble everywhere. After you're done eating your most delicious food that are prepared by one of the most famous Italian chefs, you come to this living area to exist and to enjoy family meetings and to watch something on this magnificent TV that is attached to the wall. We are entering the most spacious master bedroom in Atlantis the Royal. Besides sleeping on this finest bed, you can enjoy these uninterrupted views of Arabian Gulf. Walk towards the direction of the master washroom and you will see this first mysterious door, and when you open it, you will face this walk-in closet and you will meet the second mysterious door. Once you open it, you will see this magnificent washroom. In case you fight over the sinks, we have two of them here and one bathtub. Let me show you the shower of this master washroom. Apparently, you have something to sit on it and to have your magnificent shower. Let's check out the second bedroom of this apartment. It honestly feels like master bedroom. Look at how much space we have in this fully furnished, fully upgraded, two-bedroom stunning apartment in Atlantis the Royal. As you travel around in this room, you can see this corner of the room where you have two sinks. Again, no fighting, two sinks. And we have these frosted glasses. We have a standing shower and we have a seat for a toilet. Obviously, people who are going to be living in this apartment will have tons of clothes, so they need a place to fit those clothes in. While I enjoy the uninterrupted views of this Arabian Gulf from the two-bedroom stunning, fully furnished, fully upgraded apartment in Atlantis the Royal, I want to remind you that if you need any assistance that is related to the purchase and sale of a real estate in Dubai or anywhere in the UAE, you know my contact details. Bye for now.